Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Vanguard Brokerage to bank account detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Vanguard account by visiting the Vanguard website. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts tab. Select Balances from the drop-down menu. Identify the brokerage account you wish to withdraw from. Click on the account to access its details. Locate the Transfers option in the menu. Select Withdraw from Account. Choose the withdrawal amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Next, select your linked bank account for the withdrawal. If you haven't linked a bank account, you will need to do that first. Follow the prompts to verify your bank account details. After confirming your bank account, return to the withdrawal screen. Review your withdrawal details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your request. You will receive a confirmation message regarding the withdrawal request. Note that processing times may vary based on your bank and Vanguard's policies. Check your email for any notifications regarding the withdrawal. Once the processing is complete, monitor your bank account for the deposited amount. If you encounter any issues, contact Vanguard customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.